What it? Hello, hello. What it do? What it do, brother? Damn, dude. I don't know. How to? All right, 191. My bad for the silence. I'm kind of like focused. I'm focused on. I don't know, just a little confused. Let me get my music going. Let me get settled in, and I'll start the breakdown on the signals that we have called. I'll start the breakdown on everything that is happening currently. We are in gold cells and GJ cells. These GJ cells almost hit, and I'm pretty sure gold cells almost hit, and it's just so fucking annoying. I might just call it close on everything, and like Jesus, I went from 7-0. Take profit is what, 6-0? Isn't that take profit hit? Did gold not hit take profit, chat? Hello. Gold hit take profit. Alright, let's see what the fuck happens. Let's start posting this on Instagram. We're probably gonna. We have a lot to go. We just turned on the live stream, boys. Don't miss out. Come join. We're just getting started. Let me know how the music sounds, chat. If it's too loud, let me know. I had that photo right out of my pocket when I was just smashing her. She seen the bands. I buy the Coca-Cola and she seen the can. The Glock was still on me while we was romance. Think I fell in love with this girl, came from France. She caramel when I get a 10. I need to pay her when I get a chance. Give her some drip, give her a whole lot of splash. Talking that shit, he get spun like a blind. Took a few Pakistani against the line. Got some little slim shit in my line. Me nigga be hating, putting on the front. Money get made, bitches don't never get saved. All right. What it do, chat? What it do, chat? All right, so we have called out a beautiful GJ trade. Before that, we called out a beautiful gold trade, and gold has already smacked take profit. It looked like it would be a large take profit and that it'd take long to get to. Nonetheless, we got to smack it. Let me send the take profit hit to the Discord. I'll continue with the breakdown. We're going to break down both pairs of why we hopped into the trade. We're going to break down the trade, and we're going to see if we take any more potential trades. Admin signals. Don't never get saved. Tell her I changed. Cooking up dope, getting paid. Try to get laid. She been with me 31 days. Like bitches in the ways. We been on same damn page. Take profit on gold smashed, baby. I
Grand Rising Boss Man and the boys. All right, so man, I really want to see this continue a wick fill to the downside. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys already know textbook why I'm in this trade. We had a momentum to the downside, wicks that needed to get filled. We were leaving a wick which was looking like this on the 1 hour, also on the 4 hour. And I am just thinking that we're closing, respecting the 8 SMA. Nonetheless, we still need to come down and a wick fill to the downside. And I mean, what's my official stop loss? My official stop loss is right there. My official take profit is right there. I think I wrote it wrong. I think I wrote it wrong on the admin signals. I put take profit 1,650. Is this correct? Is it 650 or is it 550? Stop loss 10, 35 pips. Okay, 35 pips. No, it's not 35 pips. It's 25 pips. 5. Oh, but this one's 35. 35. Why is my brain so slow and foggy today? 192. No, GJ, stop it.
Safe for more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case of more realer than y'all. Ace by the case of more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K on more realer than y'all. A regular day on more chiller than y'all. Diamonds don't freeze, ain't gon' never thaw. Niggas don't shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up over the whole 100 round. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Bigger that growth, ain't no fucking around. Ice overload, this ain't regular ice. Hop on a private, ain't regular flights. Smash on your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking the white. Fall out the Pyrex and cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Poured Selena, trying to let it go. Rocking Celine from my head to a toe.
Alright, well, the audio sounds good.
Summer, she cold. BB's gonna light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gonna see. Came out the 6 that my diamonds will flee. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a tape, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that pop that I stay with some bands. Thought it so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks in my hand. Fuck the police, gotta stay with the can. I shot the top off a regular race. Saw they on perk, this a drug addict date. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds, they draped in my portfolio. Fill up safe for more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case of more realer than y'all. Ace by the case of more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K on more realer than y'all. A regular day on more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 round. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around.
Honestly, the last all it's gonna take is a volatility to come back into GJ to be able to keep on. I mean, as long as we don't go back past these highs, which is basically my break even, you know, if we don't go to the drawdown area, we're safe. We just need volatility to come into the market and keep on pushing this downwards. Why did I take the gold trade? Why did I take the gold trade? Where was it? I was looking at the formation that it looked like it was on the hour. All right, so when we were here on the 4 hour, I mean, we were bearish on the 4-hour. We had a little bit of a bullish, and then out of nowhere again, we just kept on. So I just truthfully did not think that this was actually the bottom of the V-shaped recovery. So we started doing this like V-shaped recovery, and we were still underneath the 8. And I'm pretty sure everybody was, I mean, most people were probably anticipating gold longs. Let me see if I can find a clearer image to be able to explain it. But this was the V-shaped recovery that I'm talking about. So we had huge bearish momentum, right? And then we've been just bullish, running it all the way up. And I guess around this point right here is when I took the sell, right? We had news coming in, so I knew that there was going to be volatility. And I'm not sure if this had a wick already to the top and bottom and it was like a doji, but point, I mean, just based off of this market structure right here, it's kind of hard. I mean, just based off of experience, knowing that, yes, it's not that I'm reading lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Like that's actually not what I'm actually reading here. It could be one of the things that identify you to be able to, like, you know, keep on going bearish. It was just more of the fact that once we actually tried to go high right here, we couldn't pass this level of resistance, and then we tried again. I mean, there we didn't ever got back to that level of resistance. I mean, we kind of did, but it just did not seem like it was ready to go bullish. The bullish momentum did not seem like it was actually going to hold up in comparison to all. I mean, we've been just melting out, and the only bullish momentum we really had was this and this. And I did not think that we were going to keep on going like that. I know that the 4-hour on gold before we took it, I think it had a huge wick to the downside and top side. I know that there was wicks on both sides, but for example, if we look at gold on the 4-hour right here, those who were going bullish on this 4-hour candlestick were expecting this to still look like a V-shaped recovery, right? So bullish, and then it would just be like do. I just don't, market does not look like it's set up to do that. This is actually going to keep on melting out. You don't even need to close that take profit one. Yeah, you could go for a 1 and 2 on gold. But the thing is, gold has been very rangy, so it might take a while. You might see range, go back into the range. You might see it go back to your break even, mess around a little bit. What a successful gold trade. Damn, and GJ was so close to just smash and take profit right away. I'm waiting for GJ. GJ is going up, says Anas. I'm hoping that this 4-hour candlestick does a flip. If it does a flip, that's the last confirmation I need to know that I'm going to hit my take profit. To know for a fact that take profit is getting hit.
On my neck, I could sink a ship out of space, but not regular. Titanic, my whip in the hood, I'm not regular. I just brought my stick, baby. Oh, you think I give a fuck because I'm rich, baby? Come on, baby, let's have sex and have a rich, baby. She said, I thought you ain't do that well, you dismissed, baby. Bye-bye. Young nigga know I ain't chain up, we from 6, baby. I don't think they like me, no. But when I drop this song, I know they'll get excited. Yeah, she was homie girl, but now that girl is mine.
No, GJ, don't do that.
I just ran up on my pants. I just ran up on my pants. I just ran up on my
No, man.
She give me hit that be my grand. She give me hit that be my grand. Got addicted to the rule, got addicted to the sex, got addicted to the foreign, got addicted to the rag. Man, these boys be throwing the moves, and I swear that he's a fact. Man, this girl ain't give me brain, man, we cut. Man, we cut that be my
That sucks. Alright, now the question is, do I close break even? I think I might.
I wear more Supreme than I hype this. Only blue, no green, don't excite me.
No. Damn it. This fucking trade was important to me. I'm still... my break even.
My daughter, it's real love. My mama, it's real love.
Man, not sick. LA, you know where you done came from. It's beautiful. Came from nothing. Something. You did.
Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never felt.
GJ, my entry is actually at 9-1, like 916, 917. So I mean, the whole time I've been on the border of break even. I have not closed yet. If I do close, I'll let you know. If I do close, it might even be like a pip, 2 pips and drawdown. Just consider break even. I want to make sure that this candlestick is not going to just play games and go down, because it looks like there's so much potential to the downside. I might even just have to hold the stop loss. But the thing is, I don't want to ruin the record. The record's doing... I mean, we're finally up on the board. We are finally up on the board. We called out a beautiful gold trade earlier today in the admin signals. Make sure you guys are paying attention to that. That was the gold trade at 7:18. This is about 18 minutes after New York. No, that was, I mean, this is an hour before New York started. 2670, stop loss at 2680, 2660, take profit. If we go to gold, we see that was a beautiful trade. We're going to GJ. We're struggling now, even though we were almost at take profit for the freaking whole time. Double take profit would have been crazy.
Like some from the islands, my peace so sacred. I stay by violence. LA, a duck off in the hills, the highest. Smell like Tom Ford, baby girl over my hygiene. Yo, tripping in fashion, and I ride with these magazines. Long chain dance, fast car drive. Stains on my jeans, and one for that should never caught me. I just have a lot of rings on me like an Audi.
Yeah, we're gonna consider GJ break even trade. Let's start closing out of GJ. Close.
Got a long way to go, but I'm closer than ever. I should never felt, I should never sweater. I go through a lot, but I keep it together. I'm pulling up.
I don't even know how to write close GJ break even. Close GJ break even.
From the islands, my peace so sacred. I stay by violence. LA, a duck off in the hills, the highest.
And now we're just gonna have this here to watch what would have happened. Damn, dude, the market's like, I mean, London session was shit. I don't even say that because I wasn't there. I'm talking about legitly it was shit. Legitly, London session was shit. I mean, I woke up during the London session. I saw that everything was still at where it started. Boom, we'll go back to sleep. Woke up a couple hours later. Everything is still at where it started. I mean, if it wasn't for that goddamn PPI news, we'd probably be still stuck on the charts. So we had the core PPI, peak PPI. We have nothing else. Do we have tomorrow any news? London session CPI. That is a beautiful sign. And that's at pre-London, no? Yeah, that's at pre-London. London definitely was slow. The London Bridge is falling. No, that cannot be happening. Now I'm just rooting for fucking GJ to go long so I don't get psychology fucked. We can catch potential more trades, chat. I'm gonna be here, see if I get anything else on the board. I know I have some other things to do, so I don't mind doing them on the side. Like, I need to log into this client's account. I can't find his.
Heard you they gon' clip his lungs. It was going down on the set, that's when the shit was fun. I just been ballin' on these niggas like I'm Kendrick Nunn. Every day my birthday bitches lit, I just turned 21. Decorate your block with red tape, phone them sliding every day. Bunch of hollows spinning out the block. I've been serving fiends all day, out there posted with the gang, nigga. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe, now I got expensive taste. Michael Mary James, fill them up with knots. I've been on my grind every day, don't believe in taking breaks. I ain't stopping till we chillin' at the top. Ever since I stepped up in this game, I've been a bomb threat. I was in the trenches trying to see a life beyond that. Cause complacent niggas usually die up in they complex. Nigga, where I'm from, they turned death into a contest. Living by the gun, put all my trust into this compact. My niggas went to war, but they ain't get no Vietnam check. Lil' bro on his head, he trying to make his brains ooze. Lil' bitch, I'm from the north side where they raise goons. Took losses in these streets, shit got me singing gang blues. I've been a real nigga before this shit became cool. I'm the type to switch my watch up every time my change moves. He the type to get excited cause he made the shade room. Decorate your block with red tape, phone them sliding every day. Bunch of hollows spinning out the Glock. I've been serving fiends all day, out there posted with the gang, nigga. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe, now I got expensive taste. Michael Mary James, fill them up with knots. I've been on my grind every day, don't believe in taking breaks. I ain't stopping till we chillin' at the top.
Did I pass the 200K account? No, the 200K account is still alive, brother. Still alive. I think it's 1% drawdown.
Dougie told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life.
Ooh! Jesus Christ, GJ.
I decided I had to
That is a turnaround right there.
Be a menace. I just said with the men politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more. I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that's still undeployed. I know a felon who trying to get forward. Child support, child support.
Come on.
Visit, I'm going to courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really ain't came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
First generation ghetto nigga. Cold world, hello niggas. Made it out the city with my head on straight. Niggas keep shooting up the let out. Yo, Jordan Pill gotta get out. Cause the shit that I spit out is a cheat code like I'm facing a
Right there.
Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out.
I apologize for the silence, chat. All right.
Niggas, so they think they're ahead of me, but I'm really in front
Me
of
looking
them
at,
now.
I'm keeping this here just to know where my original position is for why is the reason you closed GJ at break even. Why is the reason I closed GJ at break even is due to the fact that so if it did not go past this level of resistance right here, you see there's a level of resistance. If it did not pass it right here, I was satisfied. The second we came back to this level of resistance, I'm thinking, all right, we're for sure going to pass it this time due to the fact that if we weren't going to, we would have not come back to this level. But we came back to the level for a reason, right? So it was like, all right, we were here, melt out, back to this level of resistance. All right, looks like a beautiful sell. We took the sell. If I know that I'm coming back to this level of resistance, I know it's because I'm going to go past it. And so, you know, this upwards momentum I did not like. Once we got here and closed there, I was like, all right, we're going to break. You know, it's kind of like when I say, hey, the noobs are the ones that are going to be taking sells at this level of resistance. The pros are going to be taking the buys. It kind of goes to the same logic. Now, can this whole thing still just end up melting out? 100%, but I did know that I was going to go through experience drawdown there. And if it goes to drawdown, I mean, this is not a large stop loss. If I go to drawdown, probabilities are that I'm going to stop. So, I just prefer to just get out the trade and look out for the next possibility. Is Xander in the chat by any chance? Xander boy?
Keep me down.
Let's see if I can get the spreadsheet real quick. I do need to post that on my Instagram story. You are 100. Oh shit!
I done put 20 up under the seat.
That boy Xander. That boy Xander slaughtering. Good shit. But I could use that perfectly. I love that. What's crazy is that I took a 1% position on gold, and then I took like a 2% position on GJ. And when I took the 2% position on GJ, I go outside, walk my dog, look at GJ, and I was up like fucking $3,000 on a 200K. Hey, what's the break even? Oh! I had a perfect chance of slaughtering. What was I doing right now? I wanted to see the spreadsheet. Any chance? I mean, I could scroll. I'm gonna save it on my desktop right now. I'm gonna save it by dragging it onto my screen. Where's my spreadsheet? This one. Can I drag it? Does it work like that? Kind of. I think it worked. Dude, that boy Xander updating that shit right off the rip. He doesn't let anything slide. He's just gonna let you the fuck know. And that's lit. There ain't no cheating this goddamn spreadsheet. Xander, I have a question for you. If I want to send this to people so they can see it themselves, is there a version where they can't touch it? Like, what is the version I share? Isn't there like I would share it from here and then go like share where they can't edit? Like only us could edit it? Just send the link. Beautiful. So only the people that are in with our emails can edit it. Fucking love this. It's a little video. All right, boys, for the year, we started off with 2 losses, came back with 3 wins in a row. This trade almost hit. We closed it at break even, though, but we are back up on the board. Dude, fucking love you, Xander. Jesus Christ. Let's go back to GJ. Thank God we closed that break even.
I told her hold the scene. Had big bells, midget. Now you can't say I ain't got millions. Swam with sharks, water splash. You be law and order 12. I be getting money every morning. Tom Joyner. Heard you getting money, but you paying them niggas extorting you. You pay for your fame and fortune. You pay for your fame and fortune. I am the plug, cordless. Pull up with blazers, Portland. I pay the neighbors to pick up the dump on their porches. I came from Nichols.
Xander, I mean, everybody chat. The few people I have in the chat, I'm still going to be streaming for a while now. I mean, for like an hour plus. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
I hopped out the coupe and no friends bitch. Cause I was a young and I'm big in the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I went out and said again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah. All set. Hop in the private. It's a Lambo, not a hybrid. My wrist is a faucet. Feed the Perkins, I'm the doctor. Drake 400 round chopper. She got her eyes on me like binoculars. Watch. Count up this money, it's marvelous. Count it up, starter, bitch. I don't call the staller. You better dig what I'm saying. I'ma kill you and your man. I'ma kill. Beat down the block like an am. Going up like a skateboard on the round. Whoa. Go by the rollie and bust it. Talking that tough shit, but you know you're not gonna bust shit. Huh? Look at my fashion. This is a Gucci rug. Look at it. I'm trapping and rapping, still got them babies in custody. My diamond be dancing, live in the mansion. My life is love. Ain't no more loyalty. Not the West, I'll pay the loyal. She could get
I
up.
put 20 inside the city. I pull up on you and I pocket your key. I pull up your pocket your key. I hopped out the coupe and no friends bitch. Cause I was a young and I'm big in the door. I came out back in and I turned up the show. I went out and said again, yeah. I put the V-net on my chin, yeah. You know, they say that's my nigga. I made him $1 million. Now fuck it, we all be.
Yo.
But I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring EV. You probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be by no small shit. Overseas got a crowd doing my shit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman went and got me in the office.
All right, now the question is, do we think gold has a chance of continuing up?
He gon' stay with the charge. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. He bitch, you notice my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run out no motherfucking commas. Look at little Thomas, living like we ain't.
So, we obviously see that prices starting to ride along this 8 SMA, right? We're above it. Continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick. Where do I think sells are very valid? I think sells are very valid once we get back to this level of support right here. I think if we reach this level of support, this zone of support, I don't see us bouncing off of it again. If anything, I see it going straight through it to the downside and continuing with its bearish momentum. I mean, we've only had bearish momentum present in this market. So if you're still holding a gold sell, if you're thinking about taking gold sells, I'm still liking the gold sell setup. Did I close GJ? We ended up closing GJ at break even. Yes, we ended up closing GJ at break even. We called that out on Discord right when we did it. I'm making sure that every move we do, we call out on Discord just so everybody could be following along, whether you're on the stream or whether you are at home just watching on Discord, you know? GJ looks like it's gonna smash. Bless me.
Hit the beat from the back, have a knock on me, baby ho. I control the rock. If the rap slow, I control the block. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple coups, I can draw the talk. I done made it, nigga. All these digits coming in, I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need to buy this fucking used to me. My biggest
Can't stop sneezing.
Used to be, yeah, my DVDs. You don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. I got something to lose. In the street, I didn't pay all my no extortion.
Bless me.
I be walking on pieces, you hearing me. I just pray that my kids be here picking me. They can't get rid of me. They don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I got something to lose. In the street, I didn't pay all my dues. Extortion ain't talking about literally. I be walking on
Jesus fucking Christ.
I just pray that my kids be here picking me. They can't get rid of me.
Ugh. Jesus.
Nowadays, nigga change on the game, switch name, then come and try to hang with us. Yeah, we can see them. That ain't what's up. That ain't what's up. Nowadays, nigga change for the fame, nigga switch on the game, then come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago.
I'm like dying. I can't stop sneezing.
Was on a dick and them hoes ain't really wanna hang with us. Niggas was on snake shit, fake shit, hell no, push that nigga, that ain't what's up. Nigga fucking with the crew, say he really with the shit, hell no, we a clique full of murderers. Don't trust my nigga really creep, they slimy and they will murder ya. Niggas saying anybody begging, told taking shit for a nigga, but we ain't never heard of ya. You can keep all the store to yourself, fuck nigga, you ain't known that shit, we never heard of ya. Pussy shit, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. Fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. For the murder, fuck nigga, we ain't heard of ya. I got a new bitch for the summer, they wait for the bus and they threw me right under my watching, but guess I don't know what's exactly the price, but it cost me way over 100. Bro had the drink, I had thought it was soda, I sipped it and felt like I was in a coma. I'm covered in water, I need me a floater, she sucking my dick and I don't even know her. My guys, right, you.
Alright, let's see what the fuck happens here. Watch this, chat. For those watching, let me open up my email. Logging in real quick. Control V. That works.
Before I catch a premeditated. Got a lot of niggas dead and I still see their faces. I'm a rap star, I could have been a mental patient. Hit you with the bag and you still ain't paid me. You must want a nigga coming through you like a stranger. I ain't even tripping, money older than the page. Niggas see you shine and forget you really dangerous. They won't let you help them. They gon' make you nail them. My nigga got life, he call every day, I don't know what to tell him. We gon' get more time than murder, they catch us with this shit we selling. Y'all were from high school to college, we went from babies to felons, nigga.
What it do, Sagar?
Everything these streets offer. I've been through the mud.
Where's the audience? I mean, the audience probably got clapped already by London Session. That's the thing. A lot of people, they are on the charts and they need to take a trade. So therefore, they take the trades. They win or they lose. Then they go depressed. Home. They go to sleep depressed. They continue with their days depressed up until it's time for them that they can take another trade again. Apologize for that.
He caught a body, truck caught a body, my niggas ain't coming home. I know that little truck coming home, but they get look 50 years. His mama keep crying them tears. Mama keep crying them tears.
What is the chat think with the 9 people we have in chat right now? For the 9 people we have in the chat right now, do you guys think that we're gonna go bullish or bearish on GJ? Did I take the gold on my 200k account? Yes, I took the gold on the 200k account. I actually did not take the gold on the 100k. I mean, and then this GJ trade, I actually took it on this account right here. This is actually a challenge I started last year. Oh, well, the first 2 trades are the trades that we lost at the beginning of the year. But we are still in it to win it right now, at least. At least we're still in it right now to win it. We're up 600 bucks on this position.
Switch on that game and come try to hang with us. He was just rich 2 years ago, not a nigga in the middle of the road on Angel Dust. We ain't had shit, we was on a dick and them hoes ain't even really on the hang.
Now, my brain is asking me on us, do I take the gold? No. I was gonna say, do I take the GJ long on yours? But that's, I don't see GJ going long. I mean, I did see it going long once it was up here, but longs would be if it breaks these highs. Breaking these highs, I see it long. Like I said, if it comes down to these lows right here, I see it breaking them. Very simple at this point. No, longs, if it comes back up to here right now, remember support and resistance levels act as magnets. We're being attracted to this magnet more. Once we get to this magnet, we have to see if we're going to bounce from this magnet to there or from this magnet to there. And realistically, since we've been here before, left, came back, left, and if we come back again, I doubt that we're just going to leave again. That'd be stupid. That'd be like a triple bottom. Pretty sure we'd melt straight through it. Boys, for the few people that are here, if you guys have not liked up the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. Helps the channel grow. It really does. So smash the like button if you guys have not liked it yet. See if this trade locker loads. Fuck, look how slow trade locker is. Like I literally just closed it out for a second. I opened it back up, and now my positions are just completely gone. It's crazy.
Yeah, rest in peace to my nigga dog. All we ever wanna do.
What did it do, Lewis Barry?
How's
everything, brother? How was your London session trading? Did you catch any bangers? Any bangers? Was it too slow? Did you get faked out? Did you get to see any of the signals I sent? That's another good question. Caught a GU short. Oh yeah, GU moved greatly. I never even noticed that. GU's London session doesn't seem like it was such a... There's great opportunities for longs and sells. Mostly sells though. Mostly sells though. GU did better than GJ today, I'll tell you that. And GU looks, oh my god, please GU, keep on going down. If GU keeps on going down, I'd expect GJ to follow it. Come on, push, push, push.
In the trunk, 3 million a month, but I just did 3 years on a bump. Oh, you in a slump? I'm headed to Oakland like Kevin Durant. What is your point? Square with the stamp for Kevin Durant. They on my trout, play with my cat. I'm taking the cheese and killing the rest. Gucci been call me the cat with the rat. I'm swerving, but I'm empty. Man, I got her from my rack. I'm serving, I paid a bird for that. He nervous, I ain't got no word for that. He heard him on all of his purses back. He mixing this deal with Percocet. She perfect, and she got perky breasts. I just want some of that turkey neck. Trap of the year, I'm from Boulder Crest. You snitch of the year cause you told the best. Good drink, big nuts, big nut. Good drugs.
I love that you remember your subs and that they do or do not trade, etc. I try. I mean, it gets pretty easy when we're being consistent and joining every single day, or I'm coming every single day. Yeah, it's my form of entertainment as well. It's my form of entertainment as well. Possibly passing my account this month, 13 trading days left this month, 1000% on us. I'm gonna go beast mode on it. I'm gonna go aggressive. I mean, I don't know if you've noticed, I have been going aggressive. Like when we did the recovery, after the recovery, we're at break even, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna risk 3% right now. Now I cut the loss early, but all I need to do is, yeah, fucking set the saddle. I'm gonna go hella aggressive. Don't even worry about it. And I'm saying hella aggressive because it's a 25k account. I'm not too worried about it at all. We will take care of it if anything happens. So I promise you, I'm gonna just fucking turn on the gas pedal this week. By this week, we're gonna have it passed. I could have it passed by fucking tomorrow, after tomorrow. I just really want to make sure I catch the banger setup with it. So we don't go into drawdown.
If you don't go with me, don't do what I do. Think you the one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hit at your crew. I'm sending the cleaners through. I'm belling out sober, they thinking it's over. You niggas ain't seen my move. They set me down like I went out of space, now I gotta go back to the moon. Nigga right back on the shrooms. Nigga get up like it ain't nothing to lose. 2 months I'm back on the move. Right back in the club throwing rest in the pool. I'm about to start acting a fool. It's just you and me and you know who I choose. You know the way I be cut all the cool. I'm talking to me and not you. I miss out on millions and millions, that money is gone. Ain't getting no conversation, ain't no conversation for niggas, we ready to roll. Let's get back to the basic main reason they
You excited?
only reason you said it
For the teacher, you're gonna meet your Venezuelan teacher?
she can get triggered for show, but you know to get put in a hole. Got a crew, but I've been all alone. I've been driving the car from the back, taking pictures of pieces and back of the roads. And I think the little boy wanna cook, so let's crank up the beef and get back to the shows. Miami, we BP the boat, put the bulletproof back on the road. In a minute, it's been so long. Ever wondered that I was doing wrong? I'll say, hold up.
KV, what to do, KV? Where's Paras? I think Paras is done with the trading industry.
Yeah, I know y'all won't wanna put me on. Keep it cool, but they got me heated. And I'm about to show 'em how it go. Like a river, I show 'em how it flow. After showing, they know I'm my MO. If you don't go with me, don't do what I do. Think you the one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hear that your crew. I'm sending the cleaners through. I'm bailing out so, but they thinking it's over. You niggas ain't seen my move. They set me down like I went out of space. Now I gotta go back to the moon. Nigga back over the trees. Niggas still rolling, we back on their ease. I'm still having soldiers that handle the need. The vengeance is giving them ease. You talking that ratchet with all of that cheese. We having some lemons squeeze. I let you be and do whatever I please. You know she do good on her knees. I finally discovered the breed. I'm glad I can see on the one they discussing. It ain't about the money you got me discussing. You like it then
He's not profitable? Question mark? No. No, he's not. I mean, Paras has been a student for a while, but because of outside factors, maybe like, I mean, I don't know. No, he just hasn't been able to get it together in trading. He's one of the gamblers. Gets an account, tries to run it up to $1 million. If he doesn't, he just blows it. So I'm not even sure if he's ever really gotten a payout or anything. It's like it shows you how there's people that are very knowledgeable on trading, and that know a lot about trading. You know, maybe they could catch out trades or call out trades confidently. It does not mean that they know how to fucking trade consistently, and actually, which what I mean by trading consistently is, you know, fucking trading consistently. If you could trade consistently, that means you could get a payout, because that's the only thing it takes to get a payout. Where is he from? He's from India. He's from India. Alright, potential ripple fit being formed. If I consider this the one level of resistance, support, resistance, higher level of support, resistance, higher level of support. I mean, if we go to the same resistance, higher level of support, come down, higher level of support, resistance, same resistance, potential ripple fib. This guy's Xander said flipping burgers. It was funny. I was not even joking. Bye. Love you.
right. Hope that these little niggas really want to race. He got that fire. I spit crack. I got that face gon' recite what I say. Can't hit a ladder. This ain't no threats. This a blue Scotty. I spoke to the face. Made it to the light.
Oof, look at that gold recovery. Bro, we called out gold to the T. To the T, to the T, to the T. Like, Jesus fucking Christ. You know what's so funny? I've told you guys so many times that I love rinse and repeating trades on the same level. So for example, when gold was at 2670, we actually called out this trade at 2670 before, which was this meltout right here. 2670, we had a 10 pip stop loss all the way to 2660. Today again, we were hanging out at this level, and then I was like, bro, we are not going bullish. Like, it just look at the 4 hour and the higher time frames, and went with the same exact setup, 2670 all the way to 2660. I mean, it played out to the tip perfectly. And yeah, fucking, I've told you guys that before in the past, that I love rinse and repeating setups like that.
Either way it goes, we find out the scores. We ain't never run a lot of lean.
Oof.
Racks busting out of nigga jeans. Might as well go and blow it. Smoke it loud like nicotine. Talk drugs, not record. Conversation, now absorb. Theodore, no informant. Percocets got me going. OG coughing up a long. They got a street story to tell you. It's already been done. Ammunition overflowing. Tears filling up a pond. AC blowing like it's snoring. I know I'm blissed speaking tongue. My words touch a nigga's soul. They get you through it, overcome. We ride the boat.
Stelio.
Car stolen. I got the star in the ceiling. I got my charges quit it. I was the one got 50. Yeah, left with the pink slip. Now I'm ride with the pink slip. Yeah. Hold on. I just swim with the sharks. Nigga came from the deep end. Oh, you would never know what I was in. Come on. Times I get up, rough bitch still get in. I was selling crack when Snoop dropped juice and gin. Run a one-room shack with a million in the den.
Well, what's crazy? PPI literally just brought volatility to the market. Market decided to move. Yes, it did its move. Those who caught their trade caught their trade. Those who didn't. And now everything's just V-shaped recovering back into the range. So everything's coming back into this range area right here, like inside of this, whatever I'm, inside of that zone. Same thing with gold. The gold going back into its zone, which is just this one right here. I mean, literally a huge V-shaped recovery. It's either that we're just going to continue melting out randomly during the session, or that was the fake out of the session. That was the whole move, and we're going to continue bullish for London session and Asian session. I mean, if we're trading in this area for the next trading session, yeah, we're going buys. And the same thing with gold. I mean, if we're up here, we're going to go for buys and target, obviously, next highs, next zone up here. Now it still could be bearish, but up to the moment, it looks like we're gonna have to be targeting some highs and shit for next session. Huge push from GJ. Take this out. Oof, honest, that shit would have been sniper freaking buys. Is what it is.
Either way it goes, we buying at the stores. We ain't never run a lot of lean. Might as well go on for it.
Right now, Lily Court, it's a little court, RP Coke, Brian, RP 24. I can make cool 50K, that's 24 out. Round with the pack through Tennessee mountains. Yeah, salt and at least 3 rounds. I'm thumping through it on, kind of had to reset potato, give me the neck on my tweet.
Alright, what is the chances that I could actually catch another trade inside of this session still? Or at least leave something running? I don't know. I also noticed that the only thing that we've taken this year have been sells. It's so funny how I used to be known as Mr. Bullish, like bullish lifestyle guy. The guy only takes fucking buys, and it was that I was only taking buys and etc. Now look at this, fucking literally only sells. I love this fucking spreadsheet. This is so lit. Oh, this is so lit. This is so lit. Oof, that push from GJ is getting big. Oh my god.
24 hours. Round with the pack, do 10 C mounts. Feed me at sauce and leave 3 rounds. I'm thumping through it, I don't need no counter. Had to reset potato, give the neck on my joint. I got oil, I got hell, I got wax, I got flour.
A1's on for I'm feeling like Rocco. Big bitch spinning to the jet to Morocco. I got pretty women showing titties like I'm Flocko. I came in a white top, I'm still in the drop though. I can make the trap drop whenever I want drop some. I can get my big bro a dime, he'll pop some. These niggas not real slime, they imposter.
Yeah, we'll probably do that on us. I'm thinking, so looking at the daily candlestick, I still think that we could catch a gold sell, dude. That's crazy to me how I still think we could catch a gold sell. It is against the daily momentum, which is the reason I don't want to take it. But we respected this 8 SMA, right? Remember this, for those who are here watching. We respected the 8 SMA. That's why a whole bunch of people think that we should keep on going bullish and eventually go and touch the top of this, right? I think that if we close anywhere beneath these highs, the ones that I just drawn out, if this closes anything looking like this, the next candlestick is just going to come and obliterate this 8 SMA. I honestly don't think swing sells are a bad idea. I don't think swing sells are a bad idea. I don't think they're a great idea, but swing sells aren't a bad idea. Looking for sells early on into next session is not a bad idea. Dude, I'm about to take the same exact setup again at 2670. Imagine I could take 2670 again and we fucking win again. 2670, but I would go 2670 targeting. I'd go for a 5 pip stop loss. Something like this. Damn, I wish I was paying attention once it hit 2670. But I don't think it's gonna get to take profit right now. Oh, potential another trade to call out. For a third time would be fucking lit.
Okay, remember that. You didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you who don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express.
Probably should just wait for that one. GJ.
All I know is hit the mall.
Look at US 30. Everything just did a V-shaped recovery. We had a huge melt out. Everything's been in a range, right? That's the range. Melt out, recovery. That's literally been the whole. This was London session, New York. When does Trump get inaugurated into office? I feel like we needed some catalyst like that to help us fucking start moving like the old days. Alright, it's at 2670. What we asked for. Just a lot of momentum inside that candlestick to take this sells impulsively like that. A lot of goddamn momentum.
I'm trying to hit the A, but don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy to PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. When we talk, you gotta listen. I don't wanna go missing. I wanna be consistent, not all positions. I put you in, I won't put you in that fucked up position. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just